So this fucking rat bastard fucker right here. This is one of the motherfuckers. He wants to drive, he wants to act like a fucking hooligan. He didn't always live there. I don't know who the hell lives there. There's that truck right there. A dark black, dark green with a cab on it. There's one time there was a white truck with a light on top of it, a white work truck that went over there and parked too. So they drive around acting like they gonna do shit. They've been shooting guns, killing people's dogs, driving in a field, right off to the side of the property, driving around my property. Right? Doing like a slow gangster crawl, acting like they fucking badasses. So, I don't know if that person lives there. I don't know if that person's still in the truck. I don't know what the fuck. But that motherfucker is just fucking with me not 5 minutes ago. I wonder what it was. I was peacefully walking in my yard. And this fucking low-life coward wants to fuck with me. So, let's see, what road is that? That's Huron. That's Huron Road. You're south on Seminole from Lebeiter Bridge. Take the 7th country block to the left, and then 1 country block down, and there you are.